Hi and welcome to this Blueberry Markets video update with me, John Kibler, head currency analyst. In this video we're going to discuss the New Zealand versus the US dollar, as the Kiwi has started to show some weakness over the past sort of couple of sessions. Now we have had a bit of shock news out of New Zealand. Actually, the Prime Minister has resigned over there, and we've seen a sort of negative effect from the New Zealand dollar, and I don't know whether that's because there could be some uncertainty around the resignation. So we could see a little bit more Kiwi weakness to come in the very near term, and it quite so happened to kind of form when Kiwi was coming into these highs around 0.6450 handle just through here. So price tried to trade through that level. We actually got up into the previous highs in here around about the 0.6520, and we rejected from that point, and ever since then we've been pretty much bearish in the market. Now if we're looking at this from the rejection there, you know, what I would say is that price is technically at the moment trading within a daily range between that 0.6450 and the 0.6250 handle. So what I would be expecting is for price to maybe come back to the other side of this move in here. Now we may get a short-term push back to the upside before that happens as well, but it's just something to be aware of. Now Kiwi was absolutely flying really over the past few months. We've had ever since it came into the 0.5550 handle, price has really been quite aggressively pushing to the upside. So I would say that this sort of relief rally to the rally here is fairly welcomed from those buyers, and it could be that buyers are now starting to take profits in and around this area as well. Now if we look down at the 4-hour time frame, if I was to expect price to pull back down towards this area here at the 62.50, I would expect some kind of lower high to form. So what I'd be looking for in particular is if price could maybe trade back into the level of interest, into that 64.50 handle. If we then start to get rejections around this area here, that could then lead to price trading within the overall range. Alternatively, again, you could wait for price to come back up to the extreme highs, because the most likely area for sellers to be resting is around here, because what you'll be seeing is sellers will be involved as well as buyers taking profits. So if buyers are taking profits, that equals selling, and that would also give us a little bit of a boost to the downside. So that's why we're probably seeing sellers enter around this point. We've probably got a bit of both, but sellers waiting above these highs here, above the liquidity, as well as profit taken from people that are long down at the range lows here at the 62.50. So we'll see if price can pull back, give us that lower high. If not, we'll see if we can get another sort of equal high here before continuing to push to the downside here. But could be something to watch going into the near future, especially across the board. The New Zealand dollar seems to be weakening against a lot of currencies right now, and the New Zealand dollar could be one of those to move to the downside. Hope you enjoyed this video update. If you did, leave it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the YouTube channel to see some more of our Forex trading content, and I'll speak to you in the next video.